Vitalik but Aaron holds a small amount of ETH in stake. Massive sell-offs of certain altcoins have been confirmed. Another company will remove Cardano, Polygon, and Solana from its platform. There are hurdles with Bitcoin ETFs from BlackRock and Fidelity. The European Union requires banks to disclose their cryptocurrency holdings. Welcome to Whale Crypto. The information provided in this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as investment advice. We strongly encourage viewers to conduct their own research, DIY, and exercise caution before making any investment decisions. Today, July 3rd, the sentiment score is at 62. Yesterday it was at 63. Last week it reached 55. And last month it was at 53. This morning, Bitcoin was trading at $30,600. Vodafone launches NFTs on Cardano. Throughout the past week, the telecommunications giant Vodafone has selected the Cardano blockchain to launch its NFTs in Germany. According to the company, these NFTs will offer certain benefits and utilities to the customers. The company's customers in Germany will be able to use these NFTs. Vodafone also stated that the launch of these NFTs will be tested initially in Germany, but if successful, they will expand their offerings to other countries. Chicago Mercantile Exchange to offer Bitcoin and Ethereum financial products. As announced by the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, also known as CME Group, they have applied for permission to offer Bitcoin and Ethereum futures. It is worth clarifying that CME Group already launched Bitcoin futures back in 2017, so it is highly likely that they will obtain regulatory approval to launch this new financial product. Melania Trump to launch NFTs on the Solana blockchain. Despite negative regulations in the United States, Melania Trump, the wife of former President Donald Trump, will be launching a new collection of NFTs on the Solana blockchain. The collection is based on July 4th, Independence Day, and will serve to support scholarships for children who have lost their parents. Bitcoin ATM company debuts on Nasdaq. Bitcoin Depot, one of the leading cryptocurrency ATM companies in the United States, has closed a merger deal that will allow it to go public on the stock exchange. In a statement on June 30th, fintech GSR2 Meteora Acquisition Corporation announced that its shareholders approved the merger, transforming the company into a Bitcoin acquisition firm. The deal, valued at $885 million, will enable investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin Depot on Nasdaq from now on. Brandon Mintz, founder and CEO of Bitcoin Depot, stated that the purpose of the merger agreement is to support growth opportunities and promote Bitcoin adoption in North America. European Union demands banks to declare their cryptocurrencies. The European Parliament has introduced a new measure to regulate cryptocurrency investments by the banking sector. Banks will now be required to disclose all their holdings in crypto assets and notify regulators before making any cryptocurrency investment. This move aims to discourage banks from directly purchasing cryptocurrencies but, at the same time, encourages investment in cryptocurrencies through regulated financial instruments such as ETFs or ETPs. BlackRock refiles for Bitcoin ETF after SEC flags flaws. After reports that the SEC found flaws in its initial filing, BlackRock submitted a fresh application for a Bitcoin spot market ETF. If successful, it would be the first Bitcoin spot ETF to win approval. Massive sell-offs of certain altcoins. This alleged massive sell-off of altcoins has been confirmed through a court order, as the self-proclaimed crypto bank Celsius, which is currently bankrupt, has received approval from authorities to sell its holdings of altcoins and exchange them for Bitcoin and Ethereum. This means that Celsius will convert all of its holdings into Bitcoin and Ethereum, and the refunds to the affected customers will be offered exclusively in these two cryptocurrencies. Vitalik Buterin reserves only a fraction of his ETH for staking. In an interview on the Bankless podcast last Thursday, Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin revealed that he is not allocating all of his Ethereum for staking due to the complexity of multi-signature wallets. He explained that in order to safely stake, the access keys need to be made public on an online subsystem. However, setting up a multi-signature wallet for staking is still a complicated and challenging process in various aspects. This statement was enough to surprise Ethereum co-founder and Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson, who expressed his surprise on Twitter upon learning that Vitalik Buterin is allocating only a small portion of his Ethereum for staking. Charles Hoskinson added that he himself is staking his entire Cardano. This revelation by Vitalik Buterin shows that even the creators of major cryptocurrencies faced challenges when adopting certain practices, highlighting the ongoing importance of developing and improving staking solutions. Another exchange will delist Cardano, Polygon, and Solana from its platform. In several previous news reports, we have seen that some platforms in the United States have been forced to remove Cardano, Polygon, and Solana due to new regulations. Now it is the turn of the Revolut platform, which has already notified its US customers that as of September 18, it will no longer offer Cardano, Polygon, and Solana. On the other hand, on Friday, Ethereum co-founder Vitalik Buterin commented on what is happening with these cryptocurrencies in the United States and expressed his discomfort with the fact that Solana and other projects are being targeted in this way. He also mentioned that if Ethereum ends up gaining market share because other cryptocurrencies are being delisted from exchanges, it would not be an honorable way to win, and it is likely not even a victory since a centralized world is being imposed. In conclusion, Vitalik expressed his wishes for fair outcomes to all honorable projects. And that concludes today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to receive daily updates on the crypto world. See you soon.